Hello everyone, I'm Vivi. Today I show a stainless steel CNC compact with a surface treatment of PVD electroplating. This part is an automotive part, and its biggest difficulty is PVD coating. Before PVD electroplating, we have punished it, which results in no any dust spots or structures on the surface of the product. Then, there is no place for the jig to make PVD, so it is very difficult to handle. However, at Subaru, the customer's requirements are the mission. With the efforts of our engineers, the final product met the customer's requirements and kept repeated orders. If you also want to get high-quality hardware machine parts with a high appearance, please contact us quickly.